A rainbow on your tablet, diamonds on your phone, and Pacman on your laptop? We dressed our gadgets up in fun cases. Watch our new video to learn how to make easy, stress-relieving cases for all your favorite gadgets. Rosie is so hung up on her phone. Stevie flies to the rescue. It's time to have a real human interaction. Look, Rosie's chat is just emojis and nothing else. This looks like a great conversation. To cure Rosie's emoji-itis, Stevie has something special. An unusual soft case. Cut a circle out of cardboard. Trace it on foam rubber. Cut out a few pieces. Color them with yellow rubber paint. Cut emoji details out of a foam rubber sheet. Let's give each emoji different emotions. Glue the emojis onto a tablet case. Stevie tests out his invention. It seems like the emojis have come to life. As soon as he chooses an emoji, Rosie's face changes. What a fun game! But Rosie doesn't think so. Emojis are private business, but she likes the squishy smileys a lot. Stevie tripped over his own feet and now he's going into free fall. It's a good thing he's got a friend to put a soft case under his head. Color a silicone phone case with light blue acrylic paint. Let's make slime. Mix Elmer's glue with shaving foam. Add a couple drops of borax. Mix slime. Trim the end of a small balloon. Fill it with the slime. Tie the end. Make a few slime balloons like that and hot glue them onto the case. Cover the rest of the case with white glue. Sprinkle glitter on top. Attach decorative stars. Rosie manages to protect Stevie from getting any head trauma. He's saved! What's this miraculous case? It's Lumpy Space Princess from Adventure Time. The case is soft and calms down your fingers. I love squishies! Rosie is watching some funny videos online. Maybe sharing the video with her friend was a mistake. Blondie just took a sip of her tea. Oops! Rosie's t-shirt took a warm shower. To calm her friend down, Blondie takes out a stress-relieving case. All the liquid inside it is kept secure in these straws. Cut clear cocktail straws to be the length of a phone case. Wrap one end in parchment paper and seal it shut with a flat iron. Trim the excess. Dissolve coloring in water. Add glitter. Collect some water in a syringe and fill the straws. Add a little baby oil into each straw. Seal the other end with a flat iron and glue the straws onto the case. Attach a slightly shorter straw in the middle so you don't cover the camera. The case really does manage to calm Rosie down. She watches as the bright colors swirl around in their straws and forgets all about being mad at Blondie. Phew! The friendship is saved! Rosie is trying to take a good picture, but the selfie gods clearly aren't on her side today. The lighting's all wrong. Stevie is sick of Rosie's endless photo shoots. He has a special case for this, too. It's radiant, just like Rosie. Color a silicone phone case with acrylic paint. Coat it with polish and sprinkle it with glitter. Divide an old CD into parts. Use a template of a diamond to cut out a shape from the shiny layer. Glue the diamonds onto the case. Draw the diamond facets with a black marker. Cover the diamonds with clear glitter nail polish. Stevie puts the case onto the phone. How beautiful! But Rosie is blinded by the reflections of the light. Stevie was hoping for a different result. The diamonds are shining right into our eyes. What a disaster! But Rosie actually likes the way these diamonds sparkle. Great! Now the photo shoot will last for another hour. Blondie is hard at work cleaning. But her perfectionist tendencies are crossing the line. She found a tiny crack dating back to last year. And a pot that hasn't had a lid for about 10 years. To say nothing of this frying pan. Okay, my friend needs a break. Here's a case made especially for people who love scrubbing everything clean. Trace a clear silicone phone case on cardboard. Put the cutout cardboard piece inside. Cut out openings for the camera and flash. Shade the cardboard with crayons of different colors. Mix equal parts of dishwashing liquid and black acrylic paint. Cover the case with the mixture. Wait until the paint dries. Put the cardboard base inside. Blondie grabs a toothpick and draws right on the case. Wow, that's so cool! There's a whole colorful world hidden behind this dark layer. She can take a break from cleaning and draw some cute pictures. Stevie loves playing Pacman. But he's not very lucky today. Ghosts are everywhere and they're so rude. He loses for the 1000th time. He's about to snap. But right before he can break his laptop, he sees his amazing stress-relieving case. Cut a rectangle the size of your laptop out of thick felt. Trace templates of Pacman materials on cardboard, the maze and the characters. Cut them out. Go over the templates on colorful soft foam sheets and cut out as many pieces as you need. Hot glue the maze onto the felt. Cover it with a layer of black tulle. Cut out duplicate figures from a shiny self-adhesive foam rubber sheet. Attach them on top of the tulle. Pour yellow beads in between the felt and the tulle. Glue little Pacman figures made out of texturized foam rubber sheets diagonally on the corners. Use hot glue. Cut a few ghosts out of a shiny foam rubber sheet. Attach them to the maze. Glue eyes onto the characters. Cut out a frame and corners from a shiny foam rubber sheet. Glue them on. Trim the excess tulle. Cut out the game's title from a piece of a foam rubber sheet. Attach it in the middle. Hot glue elastic bands on the back so you can attach the case to the top of your laptop. The soft case calms Stevie down. This Pacman won't just win every round of his game, but it'll chill him out. Get ready, ghosts! Stevie's back in the game and he's coming for you! We're watching a movie. It's a really sad one. Sadder than Hachi. Even more tragic than when Mufasa dies in The Lion King. How can we cheer ourselves up again? Only with our rainbow tablet case. Tone a tablet case with white acrylic paint. Draw a circle in the middle. Make rays streaming out of it. Divide the spaces around it into even sections. Draw bent segments in the middle. Decorate the case with different colors of acrylic paint. Also, color small containers with acrylic paint. Attach each one onto its matching section. Make slimes. Mix Elmer's glue and coloring. Add borax. Mix 2 different colors of slime and fill 2 containers with them. Fill the other containers with light clay, glitter, and beads. We open up the containers and find a treasure trove inside this case. My goodness! There's slime in here, and shiny glitter, and beads! Let's mix the slime and the glitter, form figurines out of the light clay, and forget about our problems. This magic rainbow would make anyone feel better. And we're definitely not sad anymore. It seems like Rosie's working on her vocals. Stevie loves and respects his friend, but when she starts singing like this, friendship turns into torture. My poor eardrums! Stevie's eyes start twitching from how pitchy her singing is. Someone, anyone, please stop this musical attack. Only a Propeller phone case can help. Prime a phone case with white paint. Draw overall straps. Color the shirt with green acrylic paint. Tone a fidget spinner with red acrylic paint. And hot glue it to the center of the case. Stevie spins the propeller. A few spins and Rosie Beyonce doesn't seem so loud anymore. But the case's greatest trick is still ahead. Rosie's so distracted by the case that she even stopped singing. Hallelujah! Peace and quiet. Did you like our case ideas? Then let us know in the comments about which one you'll put on your gadget. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss new stress-relieving ideas on Troom.